Hello, welcome back all my students. Today we're gonna discuss about HTML form. It would be our lesson 12. HTML form actually has been using for various reasons. It's actually used to collect the user input and to send it to the server to process and get the reply from the server or whatever the uh, procedure the developer want to do with the user input. They can collect the input from the form. So an HTML form is used actually to collect the user input, and the user input is sending to the server to process. Say for example, you want to submit product details to your product page, a product table. So you can do that by forms. And what you want to communicate with your clients, you want to communicate with your customer, like customer want to asking for some inquiry about your products, they can communicate easily through the contact form. So and this is actually the contact form. Most of the website, they must have the contact form. It's very rare that you don't see contact form in any website, until unless that just text based website. So let's see by example, then you will be more clear on it. I have prepared the form already actually for you before I start my lesson. Just let me show you first how does it looks like the form is. Here, this one is the first name. So this is actually text field. This is actually last name. This is also a text field. This is radio button. This is called checkbox. This is called drop down menu. This is text area, that if anyone want to write a write information which is a bit which got more word on it and a little bit bigger message, so they can use text area to submit their inquiry. And here is button, and here is another button, and here the last one is called submit button. Submit button is the part of a button of form. Once you click submit, automatically all the information that you have given on the form will go to straight away to the server, wherever the developer want it to go. So you will learn it later in our advanced class. So step by step I will show you all these formula, all of these, like text box, checkbox, radio button is called actually form elements. So I will show you how to make those elements one after one. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code editor to show you how did I make this, or a little form. It's just a basic HTML form. How did I make it? You can see in my code on Microsoft Studio Code editor. Let's go there, and here we go. I have started the form from here. It's started actually from here, and ending is here. As you can see, it's close tag of form. So at the beginning, you need to write starting tag of form and close tag of form, and in between the form tag you will write all those elements of form.